Hi guys, students, one of the major hubs in Delhi is South Delhi campus के बाहर का area. So we're going to that area today and give you a walking tour of that. I need the help from the students who are based in South Delhi or even Delhi area to find out the major eating hubs and where the vibrant campus life is there. So let's start the tour. And we look at the top 10 colleges as well. So if you look at the lowest of the top 10, IMI Delhi, 4 and LBF Delhi. These are the three colleges which are at the very low end of the top 10, like 8, 9, 10. But they are good college. Average salary is 10 lakh plus. So I can recommend them. So it's like a safe bet. You can go there. Now this is the low end. Yeah. So we'll talk about the top 10 colleges list as we go along. So I'm making it a very innovative kind of a video where we look at the South Delhi campus and look at the colleges. So where we are, this is the railway station, this is the metro station where you have to get down or for South campus. So the moment you get down from the South campus metro station, just bang opposite to this is the main market. So QD is someone just recommended me today only कि सर आपको QD जाना चाहिए था. Anyway, so we went there as well. We went to QD as well. This is the main lane. Today because of COVID and because being a late night, the crowd is less. Otherwise you can find all the brands here. So you can see the brands. So a lot of eating joints here. This is what I love about Delhi, are eating places. Delhi ka in fact food night, eating out nights is much more famous. After this we plan to go to Horse Khas as well. But so Woodbox, you can see a lot of eating joints. So I'm just giving a walking tour here. Social Yard, this is a coffee shop. So it's very, very quiet here. Even the we parked our car there. So my friend told me, yaar, aaj itna, you never find this less crowd here in this area. So waffle company. So these are eating joints. A lot of people, students live here as well. The PG. These all the lanes around this area are full of the PG accommodation. So Chorangi, we had our food here. We had our rolls here. All right. If I move the value chain, yep, going one level up, we have IIM Rohtak, IMT Ghaziabad, SRCC Delhi, and DFS DSC. Now DFS and DSC, I'm recommending them because they are the top ROI. Same for SRCC as well. That's the best best part of the DU campuses. That their ROI is very, very good. Yep. Now I'm expanding this list not only for the Delhi colleges but for the NCR as well. So that includes your Rohtak also. Yeah, today I went to Taj and on the way we saw Noida, the express highway, the Yamuna express highway. It's beautiful, it's huge. A lot of camps are coming up in Noida as well, so I'll be making a separate video for that. Yeah, but these are my list of the moving up the value chain. So I had rolls, then गली में जाके momos भी खाए. So Chaurangi lane is famous for the momos as well. So this is we are entering, coming out of the Chaurangi lane. So this is where the famous momo shop is also there. So if you are going into DFS or the Delhi based colleges, now here I need help from the students. Where are the famous food joints, yeah, of Delhi? Which campus where students love to eat? ये मैंने फिर कुल्हड़ की चाय, being a North Indian, I love कुल्हड़ की चाय, कुल्हड़ वाली चाय. Momos हमने यहाँ से खाए थे, so we just had momos here. So above this thing, all the lanes are all PG accommodation. So some of you might be staying here. So those who are doing undergrads, a lot of people, and PG also, a lot of people are staying here. Now if the college have no campus, you have to find accommodation outside. So this area acts as a very good area to eat and to stay, of course. Alright. So which other places are there? So this is South Delhi campus. South Delhi के सामने, opposite of the South Delhi campus. Alright. So moving to the last part of the day, the top 4 colleges. So IIT Delhi is number 4, IFT number 3, MDA Gurgaon number 2, and FMS Delhi number 1. And IMT Ghaziabad number 5. These are the top 5 colleges of Delhi. Yeah. So if I remove IMT Ghaziabad from the list because I'm counting this as a 6 to 10 kind of thing. So otherwise number 5 वाले को छोड़ दोगे थोड़ी देर के लिए. तो FMS Delhi, MDA Gurgaon, IFT, all three have average salary of more than 20 lakhs. IIT Delhi is around 18 lakh average package. So just work hard यार. एक बार ये score लेके आ जाओ. Let's work hard once for all. And all the 4 colleges are accepting CAT score, except IFT, which have their own exam. All of them are going to accept the CAT score. So एक बार अच्छा score लेके आ जाओ, life is set. And we'll be partying at this location. So do your work hard now so that we can party, we can enjoy our evenings after food, after studies, all the places in Delhi. If you are going to Delhi for your MBA, all the best. Alright, this is a list of the top 10 colleges now in Delhi. So you can go to any of them are good colleges. Top four are the main prime colleges. If I missed any college, please do let me know in the comments. I'll be making more videos. And please do recommend nice place to visit. I'm in Delhi for tomorrow morning as well. I have a flight in the afternoon, so I can visit one or two more places, more happening places in Delhi. So please do recommend good, nice hangout places for crowd in Delhi. All the best. अभी तुम स्टडी करो और मैं एंजॉय करूँगा. बाय.